Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Number one, please excuse my quarantine hair. Yeah, it's rough. But I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on echoing questions. This is a skill that you should know, but you're not showing me that you know this. So I wanted to do a quick little walkthrough on how you do this. So echoing questions. So when answering a question in a complete sentence, it is important to echo the questions in your response. This means that part of the question is restated in your answer. A lot of us do a good job by answering the question in a complete sentence, but we don't echo the question. So we have an example from section 1 of our Boy in the Straight Pajamas work. And our question said, how does Bruno's mother feel about moving into a new home? And what clues in the novel tells you this? This is a question that a lot of us got marked down on, so I wanted to look at this one in particular because I also wanted to talk about this question in particular too, because a lot of us did not quite pick up on some of the hints that the author was telling us. So, a lot of us would answer this question with a simple sentence, she feels bad about moving. That is a complete sentence, but it doesn't echo the question. So I'm going to echo part of the question. Bruno's mother feels, and then we would put our answer here. Now I'll put an answer. Or Bruno's mother is unhappy about moving to a new home. Okay, I have a complete sentence. That's where a lot of you stopped. But when I echo a question, I also notice that I'm missing something. A lot of us lost a lot of points because we may have done that, but we didn't answer the second half of the question. I'm basically asking you to use textual evidence, telling me, why do you think that? So the novel gives hints that Bruno's mother is unhappy because one example is that her eyes are red rimmed as though she had been crying. That would be a perfectly acceptable response. Another thing that she said, she made a comment that she wishes that she had more time to prepare for the move, and that she makes comments like other people make all the decisions for the family, and that that's something a sassy mom would say about a father. So that would be an acceptable response. Bruno's mother is unhappy about this move, guys. She may put up a front that she's okay with it. Like she may tell Bruno, like, Bruno, you need to stop throwing a fit. This is okay. Just like any parent would. But you need to read in between the lines. A lot of parents, if they're unhappy about a decision that two parents are making, they're going to still try to come together as a team and have a united front, especially when they're stuck in a situation. So they're going to try and put up like a mask saying I'm happy, but really you're going to see evidence that they're not happy. So you need to try and look past some of those things. And that's reading on a surface level and reading past that, which is like reading at an elementary level and then reading like a high schooler, which you guys are becoming high schoolers. So that's why I wanted to do this. Another example would be, it says, Bruno feels disappointed by his new house. How is his new house different from his old home? Describe at least two differences. That was another question that a lot of us did not echo the question. They just said his old house was like this and his new house was like this. So I would say Bruno is disappointed by his new house because his old house sat on a quiet street alongside many other houses that looked similar to it. This new house sat alone. And felt lonely. And then that's one difference. And then another thing, Bruno also dislikes the new house because his old house was near all of his friends and family, while the new house has no one he knows near it. Okay. Okay, so that would be another acceptable answer for something like that. Okay, so I'm hoping that this is helping you guys understand this a little bit better. So, love you.